Hi, my name is Leia, a Filipino nationality, 17 years old, and I live in Seoul, South Korea. I'm currently studying at Seoul Foreign Language High School. I'm just a simple girl and I have a man I like. He's so handsome and matured who is always at the library studying and reading Czech. And that makes him more attractive. He is every hundred have seen, ideal type, and his name is Mary.
So handsome. 안녕하세요, Ayashi! Ah, it seems like Leia today. What? Where? Onto Andre? Okay. I can like you because you're my best friend. Yes, I like it. I like you more than yours. Ah, let's go to
Masayada de Galileo, handog exote on Philippines sa area, Manasabang Summer. This is for you.
What's that? Did you know?
I can understand that.
Whatever, go back to your seat before something will come.
I thought you would like to invite me for lunch. He said I'm annoying and he didn't accept my love letter. And I realized that it's not a girl's thing. We should act mostly and hard to get. That's an old body. Go get in bed. Hali.
Can I invite you to a program after class?
It's you again. You invited me every day. What's wrong with you?
My treat, promise.
Ali.
Bro, she likes you. It's too obvious.
Don't tell me you're asking me for a date.
Just like that.
Because I still know. Ali, never.
That hurts.
Let's just go home. Stop chasing me from now on.
Joy to my again. Oh, it feels strange. It's like asking me for lunch anymore.
Me too. You continue.
What? Nick?
I've caught you staring at her, and you're always talking to her, even though you see her ignores you.
What should I do?
Bro, it's all up to you.
I want to invite him for lunch.
Stop. He's always rejecting me.
No, I caught him staring at me a days ago.
You just overreact.
If after our graduation, he will give me his top bottom because I'm his one and only girl.
You're so delulu.
Or on November 11th or whatever day, he will give me a pair because he loves me.
Stop. You're so cringe. Go get some sleep instead. You're just not sleep.
Hey, wake up. Should wake up. If you don't wake up, I will give you a kiss.
But I'm resting here. Then stop bothering me. Oh, it's you.
Hi, you're doing me.
Then
Worried about you.
I don't want to talk with you.
Look, I guess this must be forgotten. I'm here to introduce myself just like this before.
Do what you want.
Ngayon sa'yo, Jordan B. Hilde. I'm Korean. I live here in Seoul. I'm 18 years old and I'm currently in job with Filipino girl named Rhea. Basta bangga mo yun.
I don't know what to say.
Can we get a lunch together? What do you want? Ramyun? Bibimbap? Kimchi? Dumplings?
Anything.
Come on.
앞에 왔잖아 내가 여기 있잖아 너의 입술로 말을 해줘 say yes 나도 모르게 너에게 가고 있나 봐 부는 바람에 내 맘 전할래 Love is true I need you Baby 너에게 하고픈 말 내가 못다한 말 Baby boy Love is true
어디든 갈 수 있어 이건 거짓말이 아니야 이제부터는 나 옆이 제일 편한 자리야 입술을 오므리고 내는 소리와 같이 내 이름을 불러줬으면 좋겠어 내가 뒤로 떨어져서 걷더라도 단지 이 목소리를 들어줬으면 좋겠어
네 눈앞에 왔잖아 내가 여기 있잖아 너의 입술로 말을 해줘 say yes 나도 모르게 너에게 가고 있나 봐 부는 바람에 내 맘 전할래 Love is true
Rhea, 사랑해요.
나도 사랑해.
너를 보며 웃잖아 두